Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. This is our Audi TT S-Line Ultra Black Edition 2.0 TDI, finished in black. Has some nice upgrades, this car. It has the exterior folding mirrors, and it has the larger 20-inch alloys on it, which obviously really do set the car off. Big old alloys they are for this. It also has a fixed rear wing spoiler, which I think really does suit the car. There you go. Your twin exhausts there. Black badges. Privacy glass. It's in really nice condition, this car, for the age and the miles. As always, couple of marks on it. Nothing that detracts you from the overall car. This car has a Bang & Olufsen stereo, heated seats. It has the virtual cockpit with navigation. All your usual refinements. Again, they will be on the advert. But yeah, it just looks a lot of car for the money. This car also comes with a private plate on it. Now you may want to take that off after purchase, but it is their age, makes it put age plate on it. We do accept part exchanges, we offer finance. If you go to www.carsfronthaines.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Cheers.